Hello, in this tutorial you will learn how to install Anydesk. With Anydesk you can take over computers and smartphones on any place in the world. Go to the Anydesk website and click on the button Download Now. Anydesk will be downloaded. Click on Open File, and from this moment on you can take over a smartphone or another computer. The only thing you need is the number of the other computer you want to take over or the number of the smartphone. The number will be generated with the Anydesk app on a smartphone or the Anydesk program on a computer. Click to install Anydesk on this device if you want to start it with just a link and not always with the website. You can remove Install Anydesk Printer, click on Accept and Install. Click on Yes, and the program will be installed. Now you can start with Anydesk. You only need to type the number of the computer you want to take over. Good luck!